this video, I'm going to actually show you how you can go about answering this question that came last year in 2023 on question B4, chemistry or rather science paper 2. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure that you do subscribe to the channel and you will never miss any single video. So let's dive into that. So the first question says, we are looking at halogens. So halogens, the group 7, okay, diatomic. Okay, so you know what that means is that diatomic, you die two atoms in one molecule or in one element. Okay, so now the question says, what does the term diatomic mean? So that means molecules or a substance composed of two atoms. Differentiate the bonding in iodine from that in magnesium oxide. Okay. So how do you differentiate that? Okay. So the first one is that bonding, okay? So bonding in iodine is covalent, okay? It is covalent. Now, while in magnesium oxide, it is ionic bonding. Okay. So the bonding in iodine is covalent. So covalent, while in magnesium oxide it is ionic bonding. Okay. So the second differentiation is that in iodine the electrons are shared, while in magnesium oxide they are transferred. Okay, so that's the most important thing to understand, right? So when you're looking at the differences between covalent bonding or elements or compounds that can compose of different in terms of our bonding, so we have to first of all identify the bonding that occurs in that element or compound, as well as what exactly do those or what exactly happens in either the element or the diatomic substance, which is iodine, as well as that one in magnesium oxide, which is an ionic bonding. So make sure that we do understand that. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to look at C. Chlorine gas is bubbled through potassium bromide solution in a test tube until there is no more change. Write 1. A balanced chemical equation for the reaction. Okay, so chlorine, so this is Cl2, which is a gas, plus through potassium bromide, so this is K bromide, which is aqueous, and then it's gonna actually produce so potassium chloride, then plus the bromide. Okay. Now we have to be careful that when you are writing the bromide, this one is that it is either in gaseous form or even in liquid form. Okay, so depending on how we assume it to be, okay? So normally we can put it as liquid, okay? So make sure that you understand that, okay? So now we have to balance the chemical equation. So for some of you, if you're watching this for the first time, please, I've got plenty of videos that will be able to teach you on how to balance equations. So you can just check the link up there. You'll be able to find the video, okay? So we have 2 chlorine, then you're going to put 2 chlorine. Okay, and so meaning 2 potassium, then you're also going to put that. So then it is balanced, okay? So that's all you need to balance the chemical equation. Okay, so this is 1. And also this is aqueous, okay? Now the other question is, write an ionic equation for the reaction. So you only consider this that are in aqueous form, okay? So whenever you're writing an ionic equation, we only break down those that are in aqueous form. So if it is in liquid or gaseous, we don't actually do anything. We just kind of just leave it the way it is, okay? So this is just going to be that. Then this is going to be potassium, is metal, plus then 2 bromide. So aqueous, then that, and also these 2 potassium, aqueous, plus 2 green, aqueous, negative there. And then lastly, this is in liquid, so just leave it the way it is. So this is how simply you can write the ionic equation. So if you have not understood it, please make sure you sit down and pay attention and then just go through, okay? Okay, so that. Now the last question is saying, state one observation you would make at the end of the reaction. So when you're mixing chlorine, and then you kind of just bubble it through the potassium bromide, okay? So what that means is that the reaction, as you have seen, is going to happen, and then there is formation of bromide, okay? And this bromide can either be, of course, a liquid or gas, and we know that it's something that is soluble, or rather aqueous can be able to dissolve. So we want to describe or some of the changes, one change that we would actually see after the reaction or when the reaction is taking place, okay? So the one thing is that, okay, okay. So what's going to happen now is that there is going to be now the formation of, there is going to be, this solution is going to change color from reddish to brown, okay, because of the formation of bromine, okay. So we are just going to observe color changing from reddish to brown due to the formation of bromine. So that's it. This is 2023 Science Paper 2 Chemistry. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you do subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any single update or any single post on our channel. So just make sure that you do subscribe, and you also share and also like our videos. Share it to your families, share it to your friends, as well as to your relatives that are about to write the final exams in somewhere October there. And also, if you're in grade 11, this is also important to you, because you get to understand even more other than what you understood while you learned this topic. So this is Edward Kwekarim, and my name is Bwana Mike, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.